Today we are going to see about a interesting interactive tool called quizzes. It is a free tool which is a very good alternative to Kahoot. Let's see how to create a quizzes by means of teachers. First you go to Google Chrome or Google. Here you type quizzes, 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 Quizzes. Give search, you get the first result. Click the website. Now it's lead to the web page. Sign in for free, teacher, administrator. Click the teacher option. In quizzes you can create classroom, you can give assignments, everything you can give. Okay, continue with Google. It's showing the accounts in your mobile phone. Select any one of the account, just give continue. Now it is asking questions. I plan to use quizzes for school, work and personal use. I select school. I am a teacher. Okay, now your account is created. Just click here, you can see your account details, 3-dot button. Okay, here you can see notification, my library, reports, classes, settings and logouts. In classes you can create your own classes, just like our Google Classroom. You can create your own classroom. Students can join with the help of enter the code, like that students can join with your class, just like our LMS Google Classroom. Second option, my library reports. If you click my library, if you created any quizzes, it will be here. So you won't need to search anywhere, just go to your login and go to the 3 button, then you can go with my library. You can create your own quizzes. Another more option is you can explore the quizzes from someone else. If some teachers creating quizzes, that you can use for your classroom, you can give explore. If I am going to take a topic, just like I am going to teach photosynthesis, just search. You can get number of quizzes which are created by teachers in the worldwide. This you can use for your classroom. Only one condition, if there is a symbol called super with that lightning symbol, that you can't use. If you want to use that, you have to pay. But for free version, just don't select that super and that lightning symbol. Remaining everything you can go with that. I choose one thing. So the first I go with this one with 10 questions. Just click, it will open. After that you can go with copy and edit, just click this button. Okay, over. So you click copy and edit, just give publish the top. Okay, it's over. Now you can see 3 button, click my library. You can see the quiz which is created by someone else. Now it's come to your own classroom. This you can use for your classroom. Another important thing is, these questions you can change, you can alter, you can do whatever you want. For the first question, what does the photosynthesis take place, where does the photosynthesis take place in plant cell, just click that. you can see the just click edit. Here you can see the first question. Click the first question, edit question. You can see the question, answers, options. If you want to edit, you can edit nucleus, chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria. If I want to edit cytoplasm into some other thing, root, whatever it is, you can give save question. That's all. The question will be saved automatically. So like that you can edit each and every question if you want. Just after the correction you have to give publish. Okay, this is the first option, that we are copied a question from someone else and we can convert into our library. We edit the questions and we saved. Now we are going to do how to create our own quiz. Just come to the home page. Home page itself, there are two options. First one is the create a quiz option, which is in the center of the page. Otherwise you can go with the 3.3. Here also you can see create option. Okay, first I click create a question. So after create option, you just go with the star or the lightning symbol. This you should not use. If you want to use, you have to pay. So what I go for multiple choice question. Just click multiple choice. It will show the question. Okay, you can ask any question. Okay, just give unit of life. Here if you click this symbol, you can add any images for that. Any image you can search and you can upload here. Otherwise you can create from your mobile, or you can take photographs, that also you can add here. Okay, add simple image, unit of life. You can give answers, cell, atom, molecule, water. Okay, here you can select single correct answer. You can select what is the correct answer. Just click that right mark. If you give the tick mark, it became green, so this will be the right answer. So you give save. That's how you created one question. Okay, like that you click add question. You can add whatever question you want. Okay, after giving or creating number of question, you just click publish. It asks a cover image. If you have, you can add with your mobile or from system, or else you can search. That also you can use it for cover picture. Okay, then quiz title, any title you can give. I give cytology, biology, which grade, you can select any grade. I go with 7th. English, visibility, after that publish. Without fail you have to publish the questions. Okay, over. Now I create a question, I create a quiz with one question. Okay, now I go to my library. Now you can see two questions. One is one quiz is photosynthesis, which is copied from someone else. Second quiz is cytology, which is created by myself. Okay, up to this we saw two things, that is how to create an account in quizzes. Second one is how to create a quiz and how to copy a quiz from someone else. That's all today's video. The next video we are going to see how to conduct quizzes with quizzes.